Have you ever wondered what keeps towering skyscrapers standing tall, bridges steady, and industrial facilities in place? The answer lies in the unsung hero of construction. Anchor bolts are the backbone of structural stability. These heavy-duty fasteners secure everything from steel columns to light poles and railings. Without them, structures would lack the foundational strength to endure real-world forces. At LRKD Industries, we ensure every bolt meets the highest standards of quality and precision. For more information and assistance, contact us today at 646-880-6778, or you can visit our website at www.lrkdindustries.com.